Welcome back to Cooking with Rashi. Today we're making a comforting and flavorful Methi Dal, a simple, wholesome dish that pairs perfectly with roti or rice. So let's get cooking. We'll first heat our pan on medium heat and add about 2 tablespoons of oil and let it warm up. Once the oil is hot, we'll add rye or mustard seeds, cumin seeds, a pinch of hing, and dried red chilies. We'll let this crackle and cook for 20 to 30 seconds, and then we'll add in finely chopped onions. Cook them for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until they turn soft and lightly golden. Next, we'll add pureed tomatoes and cook this for about 5 to 6 minutes or until the mixture thickens and the oil starts to separate from the sides. Now we'll add all of our spices, which I've listed in the description box with the exact measurements. Mix everything well and then add in the chopped methi. Mix again and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the methi wilts and blends into the masala. Now add the pressure cooked tur dal and mix everything together until smooth and well combined. Let the dal simmer for 3 to 4 minutes so all the flavors come together beautifully. Finish it off by adding a tadka or chili oil on top for that extra kick of flavor. And that's it. Your delicious methi dal is ready. Serve it hot with steamed rice or fresh roti. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to Cooking with Rashi for more simple and tasty recipes. See you in the next one.